As I embark on this journey of healing, I approach it with patience, compassion, and self-love. I trust in the innate wisdom of my body to restore itself to a state of vibrant health and well-being. I honor my body's needs and listen attentively to its messages, nurturing it with nourishing foods, rest, and gentle movement. I release any tension or stress held within my body, allowing it to unwind and relax with each breath I take. I am surrounded by love and support from those who care deeply about my well-being, and I am grateful for their presence in my life. I believe in the power of my body to heal itself, knowing that it is resilient and capable of overcoming any challenges it may face. I send healing energy to every cell, tissue, and organ within my body, supporting its natural processes of regeneration and renewal. I am guided by an inner knowing that leads me towards the practices and treatments that will best support my healing journey. I let go of any fear or doubt that may arise, trusting in the universe to guide me towards the path of optimal health and vitality. I affirm my body's innate ability to heal, acknowledging its incredible strength and resilience. I am gentle and compassionate with myself as I navigate this healing process, allowing myself the time and space needed to fully recover. I surround myself with positive thoughts and affirmations, reinforcing my belief in my body's ability to heal and thrive. I embrace the opportunity for growth and transformation that comes with this healing journey, knowing that it will ultimately lead to greater levels of health and happiness. I release any past traumas or negative experiences stored within my body, allowing them to dissolve and dissipate with each breath I take. I am grateful for the lessons that my body has taught me, and I approach this healing journey with an attitude of gratitude and acceptance. I am a beacon of light and healing energy, radiating positivity and wellness to all aspects of my being. I trust in the process of healing, knowing that it unfolds in its own perfect time and way. I am supported by the loving energy of the universe, which surrounds me and uplifts me on my journey towards healing. I am worthy of vibrant health and vitality, and I embrace it with open arms and an open heart. I am whole, I am healed, and I am filled with an abundance of love and vitality.